time to support an artist and buy some merch. Specifically, Casey Neistat merch. So I'm interested in buying the flag hoodie. This is the Casey Neistat store site. Now as you can see, the flag hoodie is right over here. All the other ones is pretty cool as well, but the flag hoodie is the one that I want. Will you look at this? This is unbelievable. It costs almost as much to send it to South Africa than it is to buy the hoodie. Now to be clear, this is not a Casey Neistat problem. This is a shipping problem. If you stay outside of America, you've encountered this, especially if you try to do online shopping. The stuff takes a huge amount of money just to get to South Africa. And also, it takes a long time to get to South Africa. All of this next day shipping stuff, not going to happen. So you're going to wait a month and then you're going to pay a huge amount of money more than anybody else. So, what am I to do about that? Do I now sit in a corner and cry that I can't have a Casey Neistat hoodie? Or do I rant and rave and tell people how bad the shipping is? No. I'm a maker, so I'm going to make myself one. First things first though, I don't have a hoodie. You see, this is South Africa in the middle of summer. It is so hot, nobody's going to sell you one. You probably don't want to wear one either. So I am going to substitute it with a t-shirt. Check it out. Fabric paint. From South Africa. Really cool. So I know what you're thinking. Why don't I just take this design into Illustrator and then have this logo printed on a t-shirt? Well, I am not a thief. Some designer was paid a lot of money to come up with this design, and I don't want it to look exactly like that. B, I want people to know that I've done this by hand. If they just see me walking with this shirt in the street, they're going to think, oh, there's a guy who bought a shirt. I would like people to know that this was a lot of effort and time on my part. And then C, this is the cheapest option. Right, paint job is done. Now we're going to wait a while and then I'm going to iron this design onto the t-shirt.
A few moments later.
What do you think? Sweet. Oh, no ways. My cheap prop sunglasses just broke. That sucks.